What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 sites to make $2,000 a month as a beginner. Now, if that sounds like something you can rock with, you better stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 websites to make $2,000 a month as a beginner. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive on this channel, I give away some free money. So it'll be beneficial for you right now to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today. Now, before I get into the 3 websites, let me tell you about the free money giveaway real quick. Now, as I said before, I give away money, free money for every new 1,000 subscribers that I receive. Right now, I'm currently at 3,000 subscribers. Once I get to 4,000 subscribers, maybe 3 people is going to get some free money. And the instructions are in the comment below that you have to follow to be eligible to win the free money. But first and foremost, you need to subscribe right now if you have not subscribed. And also follow me on Instagram. That's very important. But check down in the comments below and you're going to see the instructions on how to be eligible to win this free money. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end because all 3 sites is going to help you make $2,000 per month. So you can easily make maybe $6,000 if you use all 3 of these websites. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you these sites. Let's grind and let's get it, grind family. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at the first site. Okay, the name of this site is Udemy, or I think it's pronounced Udemy. Now, on this site, you're going to become an instructor. So when you come to this site, you're going to click on here. Let me go to the beginning of this. So when you come to this site, you're going to click where it says Teach on Udemy. So it's right here. You're going to click right here where it says Become an Instructor. And what you're going to be doing, whatever skill you have, anything that you've learned in your life that you're real good at, even things that you went to school for and you're good at it and you can explain it in a very, very understanding, clear way, then people will pay for this. They pay for this knowledge. So what you're going to do is go here, become an instructor. And let's just go ahead and read down here where it says discover your potential. So you're going to earn money every time a student purchases your course. Get paid monthly through PayPal or Payoneer. Then you'll be able to inspire students, so help people learn new skills, advance their careers, and explore their hobbies by sharing your knowledge. Join our community. Take advantage of our active community of instructors to help you through your course creation process. So if you never made a course before or anything, they have a community that will help you, but it's pretty easy. They can show you how you can put everything together when you join their community. All right, so it also says on here, they have 50 million students worldwide, 65 plus different languages, 295 million course enrollments, 190 plus countries taught, and 5,000 plus enterprise customers. And what you're going to do is plan your course. So you're going to get everything organized. You can use Google Docs or Microsoft Excel. And then you're going to record your video. And you don't even have to really show your face in the video. You can just record it on your phone. Just make a recording, go step by step of what you're teaching, and go ahead and upload it along with your docs, along with your Google Docs or Microsoft Excel sheet. Then you build your community. So you reach out, create quizzes, exercise, and assignments to build interactivity. So basically that's it on this website. So if you have a skill and you want to go ahead and start teaching people your skill and make money from it, just go to Udemy.com. Now let me go to the second site. All right, I'm at the second site, and I'm going to go pretty fast so I can get to the third site. The second site is Playlist Push. So discover new music for your playlist. Now, what you're going to do when you come to this website, you're going to click on For Creators. I'm probably not saying that right, but Curator. Now, I've talked about this website in the past, but I want to bring it up again because you can easily make $2,000 a month if you really work at it on this website. Now, it says here, get paid to review songs. So that's what you're going to be doing. You're going to be reviewing songs. So if you like listen to music all day, you can make this a job, listen to music and reviewing songs and getting paid for it. So we pay you to listen and review songs. It is, if you like it, you can consider adding it to one of our playlists. To qualify as a curator, you need to own a playlist with real followers on either Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. So the only thing about this, if you have an account on Spotify or YouTube Music or Apple Music, you need to have some followers already. Now, you might have to have at least 400 followers to qualify. If you don't have that, it's really easy to do that. You just make a playlist yourself and just start sharing, and people start following it. You can build up your followers that way. And you can come over here and go ahead and sign up, and you're going to be getting paid for every song you review. You're going to be getting paid $12 per song. And you're going to have instant payout. It's going to go directly to your bank account, and you'll be able to support indie artists. So you'll be helping new and upcoming artists by providing feedback on their music. And you're going to be discovering new music by independent artists for your playlist. So this can be a very, very fun site to make some money, especially if you like listen to new music and new artists. All right, so if you're interested in this one, just go to playlistpush.com. Now let me go to the last site. All right, I'm at the last site, and the name of this site is Poshmark. Now it's similar to eBay and Amazon, but this site just sells clothes, but they sell vintage clothes. So old clothes that you have not been wearing for a while, you can sell them on this site here and make some pretty good money. Now, if you don't have any old vintage clothes, you can go to like a thrift shop or a store like that and get some old vintage clothes for real cheap, maybe $5 or $10, and then come on here and sell it for $30 to $40, as you can see here. This right here, $32, $45 for these leggings. And let's see, these old shorts, $30. I mean, it is a lot of women's stuff on here, especially so women, if you have a lot of clothes, I know women have a lot of clothes, and you just have it sitting there, you can come here and sell these clothes, make a lot of money. But they also have clothes for men's too, so you can come here also, and kids, and they have all types of brands you can sell on here, from Gap to Gucci. So if you have some old clothes, this is the site that you can use to make some good money. All right, so that's all I'm gonna say about this site. So if you're ready to make some money on this site, go to Poshmark.com. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please hit that like button for me and help me to get like 100 likes. That's all I ask, just 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I talked about today. And don't forget to type "the grind is real" in the comment section so you can get a chance to win that free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. And please share this all around the internet, because I really do want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, again, thank you for getting to 3,000. Let's get to 4,000. And I want to get there by July the 11th. If I get there July the 11th, 3 people is going to win some free money this time. So please help me get there within a couple of weeks, July the 11th, and you can be the lucky winner. All right, guys, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.